Namaste. I'm Anita, Headmistress of Pollux Railway New Colony Branch. A warm greetings to all our students. Hope you're all doing good, taking care of yourself and your family member. We are going through a tough time during this pandemic situation. In these difficulties and anxious time, would like to bring how we reach you through new teaching platform, virtual learning classes. We appreciate and thanks to our parents who followed the guidelines given by school to download the app, which made us very easy to reach our students. And dear students, we will be happy knowing that your teacher has learned how to operate this app through to reach you through these virtual classes. That we start our new academic 2020-2021 on April 3rd. I would like to bring to your notice from 3rd April to the end of the month what we did and what we are going to do through these e-classes. We made syllabus in such a way that the students can easily follow the learning outcomes of the concept very easily without manual books. For this, the teacher has done a lot of hard work. They browsed e-library and YouTube links to get the information on three-dimension picture animated videos to make easy to understand the concept. For this, we have allotted 2 periods per day, 1 hour each. We made timetable that every subject gets 2 hours in a way. Most of the teachers, they will be completing 2 lessons by the end of the April. Dear parents, we have uploaded links of e-books on our school website. Parents and students, you all notice that you are receiving a YouTube link which is related to the concept which was taught in the class for better understanding of the lesson and followed by the homeworks. Every day, teachers are giving homework at the end of the class. I request all our students not to log out in between the class hours. We are sending worksheets. Worksheets are to analyze the students how far they understood the concept. Dear parent, we made timetable in sending worksheet. As per the timetable, every day students will be getting 1 worksheet as a homework. Virtual classes, most of the teachers, including language teachers, has shared links showing demos and usage of whiteboard which made child to feel as a classroom atmosphere. Dear parent, in coming up weeks, teachers are going to show the academic activities. The curriculum of school is not just passive transfer of information, but lively, interactive and enjoyable sessions. Strive to cater psychological, emotional, cognitive needs of a student so that they can develop confidence, build skills as they understand and apply the knowledge by connecting it to the real life. Our activities related to the 4 verticals and 3 horizontals which are integral part of our curriculum. 4 verticals are happy, mindful, creative and ignited. 3 verticals are millennial learning, high life learning and independent learning. For example, for a primary students, a task was given as a happy, asking them to play Antakshari with the family members during this lockdown period, and for the creative, asking them to make masks to protect themselves from entering the foreign bodies, and mindfulness, making practice of washing their hands frequently for 20 seconds, ignited, observing the nature and writing 2 sentences about it, and so on, dear parents. And at the end of the April, we are conducting exams where the question papers will be sent through Neverskip app. So we request the parents to make sure that the child writes exam in the presence of you. Apart from all the activities, dear parent, I would like to share with you, we are sending tutorial links for yoga, classical dance, western dance and songs and so on. Dear parents and students, many more exciting activities are coming up in the month of May where you need to enroll. For further details, please check school website and messages which are coming from the school. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.